Aw, babe's doing dishes.
I do dishes all the time.
It is December 5th
Shut
at
your
8:11
mouth
p.m.
right now.
She emptied the entire dishwasher herself.
You are such a punk. Like, I've never done this before. You stay home with the kids
Hey,
all day, and we'll
I'm
see
documenting this so I have proof. This is for your benefit.
I fold
This is
laundry.
when I say you never do the dishes. You can pull this out and say, see, honey, on December 5th, I did the dishes.
I do the dishes multiple times a week.
Yeah.
You do them a lot too.
I wouldn't say
appreciate that.
2. You should say, I do them a lot more.
I like it when it's part of your morning ritual to do the dishes. What are you doing, Bryn? She's hiding back there.
I know. Children should be neither seen nor heard. She's doing a good job.
The dishes are not.
That one is not.
Yeah. I can't do dishes while I hold Joby.
There she is.
Oh, how cute is she?
You nut.
She's the cutest little thing. Were you being a spy?
Yes.
Alright, well, mark this day. Britt
Daddy,
emptied the
what is
entire
that?
dishwasher and may be moving on to the actual dirty dishes. We shall soon find out. Yeah, look who ended up doing all of the dishes. That would be this guy right here.